Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have a radical question we are going to solve. We need to solve for x, and we are given square root of 4 minus 11x over square root of x minus 2 square is equal to 1. After solving for x, we are going to test our solutions. First, I'm going to put the right-hand side as over 1. Then I'll cross and multiply root of 4 minus 11x multiplied by 1. This is equal to square root of x minus 2 square multiplied by 1. Square root of x minus 2 in the bracket square. This is the same as x minus 2. This is equal to x minus 2. I'm going to square both sides. I can simplify the square root sign. I remain with 4 minus 11x. This is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Take 4 minus 11x to the right-hand side. We will have x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 11x. This is equal to 0. X squared plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 11x. This is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 11x, we get 7x. X squared plus 7x, this is equal to 0. We can factor x out. We are going to have x plus 7, this is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 and x plus 7 is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to negative 7. Now let's go and test our solution for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 7 to our equation. Let's start to test. For x is equal to 0, I'm going to substitute to my equation here. That is going to be 4 minus 11 multiplied by 0 over square root of 0 minus 2 square. This is equal to 1. Is that true? 11 multiplied by 0, we get 0. Square root of 4 over square root of minus 2 square is equal to 1. Is that true? We have square root of 4 over square root of 4 is equal to 1. Is that true? Square root of 4 over square root of 4 is equal to 1, or 1 is equal to 1. Now, x is equal to 0 is a correct solution. Let us check when x is equal to minus 7. Square root of 4 minus 11 multiplied by minus 7 over square root of minus 7 minus 2 square. Is this equal to 1? This is equal to square root of 81 minus 7 minus 2, we get minus 9. When we square it, we are going to get 81 over square root of 81. Is this equal to 1? Square root of 81 over square root of 81, we get 1 is equal to 1, which this is true. Now our solutions are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 7. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.